Welcome back to my channel. Last week I shared 3 videos with you showing you how to crochet a seamless solid granny square, join the squares together using a tight join, and finishing it with the camel stitch border. You'll find links to all 3 videos in my description box below. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a seamless solid granny square, but this time with 2 colors. It's a fun variation of the solid granny square, and it's easy to do with a 1-row repeat. You can use any yarn and crochet hook that you like, so grab your supplies and let's get started. We start the project with a magic ring. If you're unfamiliar with it, you can find a link to my tutorial in the description box below. Start with a chain 3 or chain 4. I like to chain 4 because when we pull the magic ring tight, the first chain gets a little buried. This counts as our first double crochet and brings me up to the height of a normal double crochet. Double crochet 2 more times into the ring. This forms one side of the square. Chain 2. We'll build another side, so 3 double crochet into the ring. Our 3 double crochets act as the side of our square, and the chain 2 will be our corner space. We want to switch to our second color. Drop the first color and pull it to the front of the work and off to the right. Lay the second color over your hook and pull it through the loop to form your first chain. Chain 1. This completes our chain 2 corner space. And now we continue with 3 double crochet into the ring to make another side. Chain 2. Make your last side of 3 double crochet. And chain 2. Your work should look like this. Go ahead and close your magic ring. Complete this round by doing a slip stitch in the top chain of our beginning chain 4. Turn your work and slip stitch to the chain 2 space. Chain 3. This acts as our first double crochet. Double crochet one more time into the chain 2 space. This forms one half of our corner, and we'll finish the other half at the end of the round. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. We're at our chain 2 space, so we form a corner by doing 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets into that same chain 2 space. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. We're at our corner space, so we put 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. We're going to be changing back to our first color. Drop the second color, pull it to the front of the work and off to the right. Pick up your first color and pull it through the loop on your hook to form the first chain. Chain 1 with your first color. You can see that pink strand of yarn, and that will get in the way if you do a double crochet into the chain 2 space. To conceal it, we yarn over and double crochet around it. Insert your hook around the back of that strand, then insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops on your hook. And you can see that pink strand of yarn disappeared. Double crochet one more time in the chain 2 space to complete the corner. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. We're at our corner space, so we put 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, all in the same chain 2 space. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. We're at our next chain 2 space. So we double crochet 2 times into that chain 2 space. And chain 2. Complete the round by doing a slip stitch into the first double crochet of this round. To start round 3, we turn our work, slip stitch to the chain 2 space, chain 3, double crochet into the same chain 2 space, double crochet in the next 7 stitches, we're at our chain 2 corner space, so build your corner with 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Double crochet in the next 7 stitches. We're at the last stitch of the side, and it can be a little difficult finding those 2 top loops. You don't want to confuse them with the chain space. We're at the corner space, so put 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, and we'll be changing back to our second color. Drop the first color, pulling it to the front and right side of your work. Pick up your second color, pull it through the loop, and chain 1. We want to conceal that extra strand of yarn, so yarn over, insert your hook around the back of that strand, then insert the hook into the chain 2 space. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops on your hook. Double crochet one more time into the chain 2 space to complete the corner. Double crochet in the next 7 stitches. Two double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all into the same chain 2 space. Double crochet in the last 7 stitches. We're at our last chain 2 space, so put 2 double crochets into that space. This will be my last round, but if you want to continue, just keep repeating round 3. Chain 2 and slip stitch to the first stitch of the round to complete the square. If you'd rather do an invisible finish, chain 1 after your last double crochet. Cut the yarn and pull it through. Thread the yarn onto a yarn needle. Insert the needle under the 2 top loops of the beginning chain 3 and pull it through from front to back. Pull the yarn to the front and left and insert the needle between the 2 top loops of the last stitch completed and pull it through. Make any adjustments to ensure that this is the same size as the other stitches around it. Fasten off and sew in your ends. That completes the solid 2-color granny square. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.